So let's get back to these useful phrases that you can use. Let's start with a few here. Is dócha means I suppose or I guess. Is dócha. Is léir means it's clear or it's obvious. And is cinnte means it's definite or it's certain. So is dócha, I guess. Is léir, it's clear. And is cinnte, it's obvious or it's certain. Is dócha go raibh Sheila thar sásta. I guess, or I suppose, Sheila was absolutely delighted. So thar sásta means absolutely delighted or incredibly happy. Is dócha go raibh Sheila thar sásta. And of course you can substitute any of those phrases, like it could be is cinnte or is léir instead of is dócha there. You can mix and match as you wish. Our next few phrases then. Caithfidh mé a rá means I have to say. Caithfidh mé a rá. Caithfidh mé a admhail means I have to admit. Caithfidh mé a admhail. And caithfir a admhail means one has to admit. So it's kind of like a free verb way of saying it. Caithfir a admhail. Caithfir a admhail go raibh neart rudaí déanta. One has to admit that a lot of things were done. Caithfir a admhail go raibh neart rudaí déanta. Some more phrases then. Let's take a look at these two here. Is dóiglam and ní dóiglam. So this means I think or I don't think. So is dóiglam is I think, as in my opinion. And ní dóiglam is I don't think. So mar hampla. Is dóiglam gurb é sin é. I think that's about it. Is dóiglam gurb é sin é. Moving on then. Chun an iarna a insint means to tell the truth. Chun an iarna a insint. And le bheith fearnach then means to be honest or to be truthful. Le bheith fearnach. So for example, if we look at a sample phrase there where we can use ní dóiglam as well as one of the ones we've just discussed there. Chun an iarna a insint. Ní dóiglam go bhfuil Loch Garman níos measa ná aonheit eile sa tír. So that means, to tell the truth, I don't think Wexford is any worse than any other place in the country. Chun an iarna a insint, to tell the truth. Ní dóiglam